Father, hear our hearts today as we come to seek your way. Show us how to walk with you. Let your truth shine pure and true. I've been seeking for an answer in these times, watching people searching, looking for the signs. But I know there's only one way we can find the healing that will make us whole inside. When we turn our hearts to what is right, your mercy shows us how to shine your light. Standing on your promises today, every word you speak will make a way. Rising up to follow where you lead, your power is all we'll ever need. We're standing on your word, the promises are sure. Your grace will see us through. We're walking close to you. This nation can walk in the righteousness of God. This nation can be true to you, God. Moving towards life, waking into you into a star. Take my hand and lead me through. Show me everything that's true. Let your spirit move in me. Set my heart and spirit free. Promises are sure. Your grace will see us through. We're walking close to you. This nation can weaken the righteousness of God. Walking in your light,